Welcome to day 15 of 100 days of skills and certifications, a short review program where I look at the last 100 certifications I've obtained online and the benefits I derive of what I learned. And today we're looking at advanced social media marketing for picking up clients. This course is offered by Udemy, and the teacher or the instructor is Brian Young. And what he taught us about is how to use your social media like your Facebook to pick up clients, to pick up customers. So a very detailed and interesting course. Not too long, it's just about an hour long, but very, very detailed. I obtained this certification on March 16th, 2023, and all the details are in the description of this video. So do well to check it out and follow me on all our social media platforms. It's also there in the description so that you can stay up to date with the different reviews I'll be doing for the different courses I have studied so far. Thank you and see you next time in another video. Bye for now.